Good day guys, this is your tutor engineer. We are continuing with our series on algebraic expression. Today we'll be doing I'll be showing you how to solve for x. Okay, so let's start with the first question. First question 1.1, we have 3 into x minus 2 is equal to x minus 2x, excuse me, is 2x minus 2. Okay, let me just fix that one before we can make a mistake out of it. Okay, this is 2x minus 2. So this is going to work out as 3x minus 6. Then here on the right hand side, you're going to have x minus 2x plus 2. So 3x minus 6, x and minus 2x is going to give us minus x plus 2. So basically we're going to take x to all the x's to the left hand side, then we're going to take all the constant to the right hand side. So let's do that. When x comes to the left hand side, it's going to be positive, so here we're going to have 3x plus x, and then here you have 2. When minus 6 comes to the right hand side, you're going to have plus 6. So 3x and x is going to give us 4x. 2 times 2 plus 6 is going to give us 8. So we divide both sides. We're going to have x is equal to 2. Okay, we're done with question 1.1. Now let's do 1.2. We have x minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So basically the first step here is to multiply both sides of the equation by 2 to get rid of this denominator here. So I'm going to multiply this side by 2, then I'm going to multiply that side by 2. Remember the principle of solving for x, whatever you do on the left hand side you must do on the right hand side. So 2 times x is going to give us 2x. 2 and 2 will divide, so that you're going to have x minus 1. Remember, this is not minus x minus 1. This is x minus bracket. This bracket, you must write it. Okay, don't write it don't do this, where you're going to have 2x, and then you're going to say, okay, after 2 and 2 are dividing each other, then we're going to have something like this. You see, this is not the same as this. This is actually the correct way, and then this is not the correct way, it's the wrong way, because you ought to have put the bracket for it to be correct, basically. So let's just erase this. So just don't fall into this trap. Okay, let's continue. Here you have 6, 3 times 2. And then let's just go on. This is going to now simplify as 2x minus x plus 1 is equal to 6. 2x and x is x, and then plus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, so just give me a second. So here, excuse me for that. And then here you're going to have x. 1 is going to come to the right hand side. It's going to become negative. Now your answer is x is equal to 5. Okay, I hope you understood that part. Now let's do 1.3. Okay, for simplicity, let's just do it close by here. Okay, let's write 1.3 here. We have 3 to the power x plus 2 is equal to 29. So this we can rewrite it as 3x is equal to 29 minus 2. And then remember 2 goes to the right hand side, is going to change the sign. Then you'll be left with 3 to the power x is equal to 27. Okay, since you have a 27 on the right hand side, 27 can be rewritten as 3 to the power 3. Why am I rewriting 27 like this? Because x here is the exponent. So we're trying to make 3 the same as a 3 there. Okay, so I hope you understand that. So now basically we have 3 to the power x is equal to 3 cubed. That means you can basically drop the 3's and then you'll be left with x is equal to 3. That's how you're going to solve question 1.3. And then question 1.4. Okay, it's quite bizarre. Let's write it here. 1.4. We have 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x, which 5 to the power x, they occur about 5 times. All of that is equal to 5 to the power a. Okay, so what we have here, that means we can just add, basically. We can add all these 5 to the power x's, which there are 5 of them. You're going to be left with 5 times 5 to the power x. It's because there are 5 of them. That's where the 5 is coming from. It's equal to 5 to the power a. So remember, this 5 is just like 5 to the power 1. So all of this, you can rewrite it as 5 to the power 1 plus x is equal to 5 to the power 8. So when you're at this stage, that means you can further simplify by saying, since this base is the same as that base, you can just drop them, and then you're going to say 1 plus x is equal to 8. So you can have something like this, and then you can simply take 1 to the other side. It's going to change your sign and become negative. So that's how you do this one. We'll end here for today. If you like my video and today's lesson, please don't forget to subscribe. So we'll meet again next time. Keep well and cheers.